Story time. Dino and a loaf of bread.
Hi kids. This is a little green dinosaur. His name is Dino. He is the last dinosaur left from the dinosaur family. Dino is always alone, so he has to find ways to entertain himself. Sometimes Dino cooks and bakes cakes and bread. He is a great cook. Then he eats all of them. One day, while he was baking bread alone, he suddenly heard a sound. A nice voice quietly said,
Hey, my friend. Can you not eat me? I promise I'll be a good friend.
Dino looked around. The little loaf of bread on the table was smiling. Dino said,
Hi, darling. You are a little loaf of bread. I need to give you a name.
The bread said,
Yes, my name is Loafy.
and they became friends. Every day, Dino and Loafy make up an adventure to entertain themselves and are happy together. They wake up early in the morning. And they cook a lot of pancakes for breakfast. They love all seasons. In spring, they go to nature and celebrate Easter. In the summer, they go on picnics and eat delicious fruits. Some days they go boating. Then they lie in the sun and read beautiful books. In autumn, they walk on the colorful leaves of the trees. They participate in the Halloween party. In winter, they make snowmen and laugh a lot. Then they go home and warm themselves in front of the fireplace. They celebrate Christmas, and Santa Claus brings them presents. Dino and Loafy sleep early at night, because the next day, they are going to do a lot of work to make themselves happy.
Let's learn more vocabularies. Drink.
Loafy drinks a cool juice.
Popcorn.
Dino eats popcorn happily.
Watermelon.
They love watermelon.
Birthday.
They have a birthday party.
Ride.
They ride a motorcycle.
Watering.
Dino is watering the flowers.
Mirror.
Dino looks at himself in the mirror.
Bath.
Dino is taking a bath.
Injured.
Luffy is injured.
Listen.
Dino and Luffy are listening to the music. Dino sometimes plays computer games.
Snowball.
They are playing snowballs on a snowy winter day.
Scarf.
Dino and Luffy warm themselves with a scarf.
Paint.
Dino and Luffy are painting.
French fries.
They have French fries.
Cloak.
They are wearing red cloaks.
Bouquet of flowers.
Dino gives Luffy a large bouquet of red flowers.
Dear friends, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and introduce us to your friends.